Bitcoin SV value sort of equivalent to $40.9800 a coin, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, $40.4400, $42.3723. Which essentially is very huge. The earlier day close, $42.3000, or so they for the most part thought. The change generally was 1.3200, 3.12% in a very significant way. Converse rate, United States dollars to BSV in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $41.16 in every practical sense, greatest 44.04, kind of least 38.28. By and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking, Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost $41.86, fundamentally greatest 44.79, essentially least 38.93. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $41.86, sort of most extreme 44.79, certainly least 38.93. Which basically is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost $41.60, fundamentally most extreme 44.51, exceptionally least 38.69, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost $40.02, most certainly greatest 42.82, especially least 37.22 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $37.55 in every practical sense, greatest 40.18, genuinely least 34.92, or so they generally thought. In multi-week Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, July 17, cost $35.81, kind of most extreme 38.32, especially least 33.30 in a very significant way. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $36.65, kind of most extreme 39.22, fundamentally least 34.08. So in multi-week Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, July 17, cost $35.81, certainly greatest 38.32, essentially least 33.30, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost $41.52, essentially most extreme 44.43, fundamentally least 38.61. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $46.88, really most extreme 50.16, exceptionally least 43.60 in a by and large huge manner. Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $48.86, especially most extreme 52.28, by and large least 45.44 in a significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $48.07, genuinely greatest 51.43 in every way that really matters, least 44.71, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin SV gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $46.94, exceptionally most extreme 50.23, truly least 43.65, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $51.12, sort of greatest 54.70, truly least 47.54, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $46.36, extremely greatest 49.61, fundamentally least 43.11, pretty further appearance how Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost $41.52, lovely greatest 44.43, beautiful least 38.61, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $51.73, for the most part greatest 55.35, truly least 48.11, which truly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV figure on Monday, July 31, cost $60.01, really greatest 64.21, truly least 55.81, Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $58.26, beautiful most extreme 62.34, kind of least 54.18 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $63.75, genuinely most extreme 68.21, least 59.29 incredibly. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $65.58, especially greatest 70.17 in every practical sense, least 60.99 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, August 4, cost $66.10, by and large greatest 70.73, especially least 61.47, which generally is very critical. In about a month Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $64.50, greatest 69.02, genuinely least 59.99 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $64.12, sort of most extreme 68.61, sort of least 59.63 in a significant way. United States dollars to BSV today. United States dollars to BSV conversion scale, kind of equivalent to 0.0244 coins per $1, showing that Bitcoin SV conjecture on Wednesday, July 19, cost $41.52, greatest 44.43, really least 38.61, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.0236 0.0247, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The past AS nearby, 0.0236 in a very significant way, change for now plus 0.0008, plus 3.39% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to BSV cost gauge 4, in the not so distant future and month. So Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $46.88, essentially greatest 50.16, lovely least 43.60, which certainly is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, July 10, cost 0.024 coins, truly most extreme 0.026, beautiful least 0.023 in an exceptionally huge way. United States dollars to BSV expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost 0.024 coins, kind of greatest 0.026, essentially least 0.022, showing how Bitcoin SV estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost $40.02, truly most extreme 42.82, truly least 37.22 in a genuinely huge way. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, July 12, cost 0.024 coins, extremely greatest 0.026, exceptional